And here was a film that was talking about a very real issue, which is an issue for everybody. I don't think it's an issue for any particular area or set of people. It's a general issue, but every film has to be based against some backdrop. And here was a film which was honestly trying to express itself and say, listen guys, this is a problem. These are the people who are suffering from it. See what happens to them. Don't become one of them. Fight it. And I felt there was a lot of honesty and sincerity in the way Abhishek was wanting to make the film, and that's the only reason I would do it. Why else would I be a part of a film which would be considered dark, which would be considered, we don't know what kind of people want to see it. We know films about drugs have not been made in India very often. I mean, internationally you have films like Dallas Buyers Club, which are winning Oscars, or even The Wolf of Wall Street, for that matter, had extensive use of drugs, and it wasn't even a film that was saying don't do drugs, you know. But Leonardo DiCaprio and Martin Scorsese are probably, it was a feather in their cap. So I never saw an issue, you know, and when I saw things go the way that they did, I really asked myself, and you know, you feel that you want to do something that is beneficial. You don't ever want to do something that's detrimental. And I felt that this was a film that will be beneficial in creating awareness, and you cannot create awareness unless you speak the truth. You know, if you sugarcoat things, then you're not going to be able to let somebody... It's like when you go to a doctor, you know, and you have an illness. And if he tells you only 20% of what's wrong with you, you won't take it seriously. You know, it's the same thing. If there's a problem that lies within society, you have to speak about it honestly.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscuitTV.